Hey everyone, what's going on today? Welcome back to CK Chrome. Got a lot going on today, actually. My Amazon affiliate, Amazon Associates, I've been starting to really get some hits on that. And so Amazon's really hitting for me. So today, it's definitely Operation websites today. I am going to hit Amazon really hard. I'm going to hit TikTok really hard. And then I'm going to go into eBay really hard. So I'm going to get all that going. It's going to probably be a mess. I sold another Stormtrooper helmet. So I'm kind of happy about that. You know, this resin machine's definitely paid for itself 100%. I'm definitely wanting to get another one. So let's see what we got coming today. We got to finish some product, finish the Jesus, finish the Death Stars, and we're just gonna keep cruising through the day. Thanks for watching, thanks for joining. All right, so today what we're gonna do is finish this guy, finish him with what appears to be a marble look. More of a white marble, I guess. So what I do is I'm going to run this through you guys. I'm going to have a link in the description for this for you guys just to pick some of this up. This is way better. This takes so much of the work out of everything for you. And then, of course, the frog tape, that'll be in the link too, man. So these are the things I use for my models. Works every time. The softest, most delicate stuff you can get. I'm sure you can get more softer stuff than that. All right, everyone. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through how I get a marble finish on the top of this. The first thing I'm going to do is shake this can extremely thoroughly for 1 minute. This is satin smoky beige. And this is going to get one coat of this. So let's put on one coat. Don't want to do that. And I'm now going to shake the white gloss for 1 minute. To not spill this at this time, see, I'm just filling the outside. I'm not trying to get everywhere with this white. That's the white. Now what we're going to do is we're going to give it 2 coats of clear gloss. Shake that for 1 minute. Check this out. I got these 50 plugs for $1 a piece on Alibaba. Pretty sweet. They're double ported. Normally like almost $2 on Amazon. All right, so here we are. First thing I would like to say is I went and bought $20 in screws, and lo and behold, the screws are in the darn. The screws are in the package. And we're just going to get that in there, screw it down. All right, so there you have it completed. We got 2 screws here with the clamp, 2 screws here with the clamp, 2 screws here with the clamp. And they're actually 2 different screws. These screws are fine thread. These screws are rough threaded, and they're right in your package for your A1 what you bought. Right in what you bought, right in the package. That screws are sitting there waiting for you. But there you go. There's my upgrade. So beautiful. Okay, so here's my Death Star. And it all depends upon the crystal in the laser, because it's only 5 megawatt laser. But some lasers, I'd say 90% of them you can see the beam. But some of them you can't. You know, there's a switch on the back here. You switch that. Click that guy. And there you have your Death Star. Shoot your laser. Anyways, I just wanted to show that to you guys. That's the finished product. Sweet. All right, everyone. So here's the final product. My Jesus. It has a marble granite, I guess a granite finish down here, and a marble statue looking finish up here. This was made with quite a few paints. We got some gloss black, marble silver, we got gloss, we got satin chestnut, we have gloss white. So that's what all goes into this. I mean, I can paint this out very fast. But it's absolutely 100% really sweet. And I'm really happy to sell these. And yeah, so that's what I have for today for the store and for CK Chrome. I hope you guys are having a great day and a great time with my content. Have a great time. See you later.